Ready to refresh your space with expert craftsmanship? Welcome to DLR Carpentry, Inc., serving Westchester County, New York with remodeling and finishing solutions. With 28 years of experience, we specialize in quality renovations that combine functionality and design. Our services include kitchen remodeling, bathroom remodeling, painting services, drywall services. Call us at 914-424-4692 or visit DLRcarpentryInc.com to schedule your consultation or view our recent work. DLR Carpentry Inc., trusted experience, flawless execution. Let's bring new life to your home. Start your renovation with us today.